Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you 6 best offline navigation apps for 2026. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So if you're planning to travel where the cell signal is basically non-existent, you definitely want to have a backup plan on your phone, just in case. Now here's a look at the best offline navigation options right now. Now, one of the most reliable names you already know is going to be what we call Google Maps. Now, the general feeling is that while it's the king of search, its offline mode is a bit more of a targeted tool. Now, instead of downloading a whole country, it asks you to select the specific box on the map. Now, it's perfect for a weekend city trip, but users often point out that those maps expire after about 30 days. So you have to stay on top of your updates. So it's great if you want a familiar interface, but not the one you want for a massive cross-country road trip without any data. Now, for the real privacy buffs and outdoor lovers out there, OSMend is the powerhouse. Now, it's open source and use the Open Street Map data, which means it doesn't track you at all. Now, people who use this app usually say it has a steep learning curve because it's so or extremely detailed, showing everything from a parking spots to pedestrian crossings. Now, if you're hiking or cycling, it's unbeatable because you can download huge regions or whole countries and even add plugins for things like weather forecasts or contour lines for mountain trails. Now, if you like the idea of privacy but want something way simpler, well, in this case, Organic Maps is a community favorite. Now, it's basically a cleaner, faster version of the other apps that we have become a bit bloated over, or that have become bloated over the years. Now, the vibe here is no nonsense, no ads, no tracking, just fast maps. Now, when you first open it, it immediately helps you download your local region. It's popular because it feels very lightweight on your battery, though some people do mention that its search isn't always as smart as Google's when it comes to finding specific business names. And there's Maps.me, which has been a staple for travelers for years. Now, it's known for having a really premium look, dark mode, and a very small file sizes, which is a lifesaver if your phone is almost out of storage. Now, one thing people consistently highlight is the speed alerts. Now, the app tracks your speed in real time, and the numbers turn red if you're pushing the limit. Now, it's a very solid set it and forget it app for international travel. Now, next is we have Psychic. So if you don't mind spending a little for a professional feel here, well, Psychic is the premium choice here. Now, it's a paid app but includes safety features that others don't, like notifications for sharp curves, railway tracks, and upcoming hazards. Now, the interface is a bit busy because it's trying to show you so much info at once, but for long distance drivers, it feels very high end. It even attempts to run features offline while you're connected just to save your mobile data. And finally, we have Here We Go. Now, Here We Go is a fantastic choice or fantastic all rounder, especially for drivers. Now, it's one of the few that has a dedicated offline mode button, giving you total control over when the app touches the internet. Now, people love that you can download entire countries in one go. It's backed by the same tech used in high end car navigation systems, so the turn by turn choice guidance is incredibly polished. But in this case, that's about it. So, depending on what you need here or your preference, you can download the app or purchase the app if you want to use it in a certain way. But then again, it's still up to you what app you want to choose in here. But that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.